This is the greatest kids guitar course ever created. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me. My name is David Aldridge and I am the founder of David Aldridge Guitar School. Learning the guitar may seem like an overwhelming endeavour. I want to share with you the most significant problems kids face when learning to play the guitar. Overwhelming, complicated teaching materials, books, and lack of guidance. Courses are simply not written with kids in mind. They aren't kid-friendly and don't engage them in a way that keeps it fun, progressive, and nurtures learning. Using the same teaching materials and methods they would to teach grown-ups. Usually, this results in a loss of confidence, quitting, and an I can't do it mentality. Here are 5 benefits online learning. Online learning is self-paced. Learning happens, it's most convenient. You can learn anytime, anywhere that benefits your own needs. Kids can jump online for 15 minutes before school. Teaching materials that are for kids and not grown-ups. We want to slow down and make everyone's experience easy and straightforward. We develop relationships that make positive differences in our students' lives. The Easy Peasy Guitar video course will give you all the tools needed to have fun and learn guitar at home. We have taken the enriching environment of the David Aldridge Guitar School and put it online with these kid-friendly courses. Busy parents and kids with jam-packed diaries can now learn the guitar with me wherever and whenever. This beginner course is an excellent stepping stone to get kids into learning to play the guitar and keeps it fun. Kids growing confidence through learning and keeps them motivated to practice more than ever. Kids look forward to each lesson and the materials make it clear on what they'll need to practice to get results. Everything is explained to a level your child will understand. With my support and encouragement, let's make incredible progress. To get your hands on this life-changing course right now, simply click the link below to enroll. You'll get a lifetime access to Easy Peasy Guitar course, email support, and access to the David Aldridge Guitar School Facebook community. You get a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't love it, then request a refund within 30 days.
Hello, my name is Matthew and I'm 10 years old.
My name is Isabella and I'm 10 years old.
My name is Lily and I'm 7 years old.
Playing my guitar helps me to be top in my class at school.
And playing my guitar makes me happy.
Learning to play the guitar is lots and lots of fun.
My favourite song to play is Smoke on the Water.
I've already learned to play 5 awesome songs from Easy Peasy Guitar within 2 weeks.
And I get to play all my favourite songs.
And my favourite is definitely Star Wars.